Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Back up your iPhone and sign out of iCloud so activation lock is disabled. Once done, power down and remove the SIM to avoid carrier issues. You should clean the device and place it face down in the kit tray exactly as shown. This protects buttons and camera. Make sure to include any requested original accessories and return paperwork now, because preparing everything at once prevents delays during. You now complete the more detailed execution. Insert the tray into the protective sleeve and add the accessory bag and the signed paperwork. Once done, attach the prepaid label or seal the kit exactly per instructions. Improper sealing can delay processing. Make sure the IMEI or serial number on the form matches the device. This is crucial for correct credit. Then photograph the packed kit for your records so you have evidence in case of a dispute. You finish by shipping or handing the kit to the carrier and obtaining a receipt and tracking number. Keep those details. Once delivered, monitor tracking and wait for the trade appraisal. Processing times vary, so be patient. If the trade program requests additional info, respond promptly to avoid delays. Troubleshooting tip: if tracking shows no movement or label unreadable, contact the carrier immediately and send photos plus your receipt to the trade program.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.